Hey everybody, happy Monday. So let's see what we've got cooking in these crazy times. I have one actual signal, but I don't think I'm going to take it, and I will tell you why. So right now we're looking at the Great Britain Kiwi, and you can see we have our super trend showing a sell signal. Our price has crossed over and closed below the baseline. Our ash is an agreement, and we have plenty of volume. Let me pull that down a little bit more. I'm not interested in these yet. So that does look like a good trade to take to the downside. My concern is, let me scrunch this up a little bit. If I look back here, you can see that starting way back here, even further, way back. Look at that. Look at what a strong level that is. Okay, here where they came up, it was strong resistance. Resistance again, broke through, and then it served as support. Okay, kind of trying to get this to move over here. So now we've got support going along, and it broke through. I'm worried with this back and forth that that's going to be a pretty big level for this to get through. If you notice, it's right there. So I'm going to pass on this one. I know that isn't exactly the no-nonsense way, because VP does say don't worry about support and resistance levels, but that one just looks awful scary to me, and I think I'm going to pass. You know, you never regret the ones that don't lose your money, I guess. I mean, it could just blow right through there, and then I'll be like, darn, why didn't I take it? But, you know, you got to listen to those little voices. So I've got a couple of other ones that are possible continuation trades, but again, they're not great. The first one is Euro Great Britain. Okay, so you can see that this is not a regular trade, even though everything is in alignment. Super trend, ash, got a lot of volume. But what's giving me the indication of a continuation trade is my Heikinashi right here. Okay, so that is a sign that I use to do a continuation trade. So I'm going to go ahead. I'll take it. We'll see what happens. Boom. All right. And it's interesting because look at our take profit is right up at that, right where it went before. So maybe we will get lucky with that one. The next one is Euro Kiwi. Let's look at that one. And again, maybe what I want to do is not put all my eggs in the same basket with the same, currency. So this is another euro. Here we've got super trend up, and then this one, the Heikinashi, has switched. This one though is not as nice. It doesn't seem to be moving as quickly. Let me pull down my volume a minute. Even though you don't need volume for continuation, it's just not as strong. So I think I'm going to pass on this one, and it is another euro, so not too many eggs in one basket. And then finally I'm looking at the Great Britain Kiwi. Great Britain Kiwi. Oh, no, wait a minute. Sorry, Great Britain Chef. I apologize. That's the one we already looked at. Okay, so here's the Great Britain Chef. Again, super trend says down, ash is an agreement. We've got a lot of volume. But this is what I'm really looking for in terms of my continuation is this. But boy, that's not real convincing, is it? It's like it had a little boop of blue and then a little boop of red. So you know what? I think I'm just going to stick with the one, the Euro Great Britain trade for now. As for my Euro Swissy trade, it did hit its stop loss. It did close out on me. So that one was not a good one. And that was actually because I moved my stop loss in. If I would have left my stop loss up at the original level, it would have been okay. But I did move it in, and I'll be honest, that was out of fear, especially going over the weekend. But it did end up stopping out on me. So anyway, that was a continuation trade as well. So I'm not sure yet how I feel about all these continuation trades. I'll just have to keep getting data and see if there's something that I feel comfortable with continuing to go forward. Anyway, those are my trades for the day. I hope you're all staying healthy and have some good trading going on. Anyway, we will talk to you soon.